got you guys. I was replaying the video and both of you guys, especially you, out of curiosity, where are you? Where are you? Came and said, what's happening? What is happening? Where are you guys? There you are. There you are. You want some more? Oh, what happened? There you go. Say bye. Okay, now we gotta go. We have things to do. Each one is cleaning himself. Alright. Bye. Yeah, it's me. Hello. You can eat too. You wanna go eat with him? See? Eat. Alright, we're going now. See you later. If you want to see more, let us know. Bye. I thought you were done. Now your curiosity is back. Here's the camera, honey. Here's the camera. There you go. Here's the camera. Camera. Hello. How's it going, everybody? Oops. Okay, we had enough. Bye. Oh, he wants to say hello too. Oh, kisses, kisses. Kiss. There's social distancing right now. It's okay. Whatever to keep the peace. But also, hang out is nice. Yeah. Hanging closely together. Okay, you enjoy eating and that one is resting. And we're gonna say bye. Hope you guys got that. Got to see them. My camera, I'm having them so they can see themselves. So I hope you guys actually get to see them. There you guys are. Bye. See you later. Let us know if you want to see us more.